a topic that always comes up is good old keywords.
Oh, yeah.
So I've got a question here, and that is, what's your favorite keyword match type?
Oh, favorite keyword match type. The one which makes me the most money, that would be the match type. My favorite one used to be the broad match modifier, which Google have stopped, which is a shame. Having said that, I would say, so those of you who don't know about match types, there are four types of keywords in there: broad match, phrase match, exact, and negative. So I would say my favorite match type would have got to be negative keywords, because it stops my ads from showing for irrelevant search terms, saves me a lot of money. My campaigns get optimized. Google knows exactly who I'm targeting and what keywords I want to show my ads for. And if your account or your campaign is optimized regularly, and what I mean by that is, it's not a one-time job that, oh, I put in some keywords as negatives and then now my campaign is optimized. Not at all. You got to do this regularly. So what you need to do is to go into the search term report and see regularly, whether it's on a daily basis, a weekly basis, and so on. And if you spot some search terms where Google has shown your ads and you don't want your ads to be shown, you put those as negative keywords, so you're blocking them in the future for that term to show your ads. So I think, yeah, negative keywords for sure.
That's the one. That's the one you're going for. Great. Thanks, Azad.
Welcome.